Our international team of virtual facilitators has launched an exciting initiative to which I want to invite you. From March 30 to April 2, we will offer a 4 days virtual collaboration campus. During those 4 days, we want to offer seminars, workshops, panel discussions, all very interactive, in which we want to address the challenges in which you are now. I guess you are rather a person in business, in HR, or in change management who has their teams scattered around the world or sent to home office, or you are a consultant faced with the cancellation of workshops and training sessions or conferences, and you really would like to go virtual now. So these are the topics we want to discuss. We will talk about technology, for example. Which platforms are there? How to use them best? How to deal with technical challenges and glitches? Then certainly we will address the issue of building strong teams, strong remote teams. How to create trust in distance. We will talk about what does it take actually to do an interactive training course or an engaging conference. All these questions will be addressed in our 4 days virtual collaboration campus. Are you excited? Please join us. Our program will be published very soon, probably next Monday or Tuesday, and then you can register. But for now, what's more important for us is to hear from you the answer to 2 questions. First of all, what are your challenges currently? What are you fighting with regards to remote teams, to conferences, workshops, and so on? Question number 2 is, what do you want to learn in a virtual collaboration campus? Please send me your replies, and we will make sure that we will cater for them in the design of our campus. And then we wait to see you in 2 weeks from now. I'm Holger Nauheimer, and I'm representing an international network which stretches from Sydney to San Francisco, and we will be excited to meeting you soon.